3 medications you can take for acid reflux, GERD, hiatal hernia. So let's get right down to those 3 medications, the side effects, the complications that you can have with them. Number 1, the number 1 drug or medication that people usually take is antacids. Antacids are the first thing that people typically go for because they're over the counter. And antacids basically neutralize the stomach acid for quick relief. And they often work, but they have serious side effects. Okay, make sure you know that, and they're not meant to take long term. So those are antacids, and they also don't heal the damaged esophagus. And then option 2 are H2 blockers. Now, H2 blockers are a little different. They reduce the amount of acid that the stomach produces, but they also provide longer lasting relief for some people than antacids. But there are a lot of people that don't get any relief from the antacids or the H2 blockers. Okay, now those are things, by the way, the H2 blockers are things like Tagament and Pepcid AC. And then you have your PPIs, which are also called proton pump inhibitors. Proton pump inhibitors are stronger than acid blockers and also allow the esophagus to heal, according to the pharmaceutical industry. Now, there are some arguments to that. Number 1, the PPIs for a lot of people don't work. Yes, they are stronger than the other medications, and yes, the side effects are more severe for those PPI medications and the H2 blockers. But long-term use of any of the 3 medications have really significant side effects. Be aware of them. And also, a lot of people are taking these medications, the PPIs, the H2 blockers, the antacids, and still having acid reflux. So you need to take a step back and think about this for a second, because you're taking medications with serious side effects, not just, normal everyday side effects, but serious complications, especially long-term, okay? And then they're not even really working that well for you. Maybe it reduces it by 30, 40, 50%, but not completely. So you're risking all the side effects from these medications for years and years of taking them for just a little bit of relief. So that's really something that you need to consider. But the options right now for acid reflux, GERD, bloating, hiatal hernias are those 3 medications, Nissen fundoscopic surgery, and then the last and most uncommon way to treat it, because people don't know about it, and also your gastroenterologist will never tell you about it. It's the osteopathic manipulative technique, the hiatal hernia maneuver, okay? And I have actually been using this technique for 25 years successfully with a 93% success rate. Don't believe me? Just check out the research on my website, refluxshield.com. And at refluxshield.com, you'll see not only the research, but you can also see the technique. And we do this technique, and this device helps you mimic that osteopathic technique to pull the stomach or the hernia down, correct the stomach, and alleviate all the nasty symptoms that are associated with a hiatal hernia. What if you could do that without the symptoms, without the side effects, and without the surgery, and use it when you need it, as needed? The Reflux Shield does that. I spent years developing it, and I hope you can find the relief that I got from using the Reflux Shield on my hiatal hernia. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.